This recipe is so yummy. I could have eaten all the batter when I was making it. Flourless chocolate zucchini muffins. Indulging because there's an added little secret ingredient that I use to create depth and richness to almost everything chocolatey that I make. So take a look at the ingredients used on the counter. I spray the pan with some nonstick spray. I add to the bowl a scoop of yogurt, 2 scoops of protein powder, egg whites or an egg, a little bit of your favorite oil. I mix everything together. I add some baking soda. Be careful because when you mix it with the yogurt, it really activates to give you some amazing fluff and rise to the muffins. Then I chop up and add the zucchini spirals, mix everything up, and I add the final ingredient, which is espresso powder. So take a look at this, my absolute favorite one. You can purchase it online, mix it in, bake them as you would a normal tray of muffins, and enjoy. Keto friendly, low carb friendly, high in protein, and maybe 50 calories max.